In this video, I'll show you how to use Chart View in QuickBooks Online Advanced with the new interface so you can turn a regular report into a clean visual and spot trends faster. Start from the left menu and open Reports, which is where all your financial summaries live. From there, choose Create Report and pick the report that matches what you want to analyze: sales, expenses, or profit over time, because the chart is only as useful as the data you feed it. QuickBooks will open the report in a table first, which is great for details, but charts make patterns easier to understand at a glance. Click the Chart View tab to switch from rows and columns into a visual summary, then select a chart style that fits the story. Bar charts work well for comparing categories. Line charts are best for movement over time, and pie charts only work when you have a few clear slices. Adjust the date range and filters so the chart reflects the exact period you're reviewing, then use it for quick checks, team updates, or presentations without drowning in numbers. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that make reporting simple and visual.